Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making mango upside down cake. This cake is made with fresh ripe mangoes. It's fruity, sweet, and so good. I'm pretty sure that you will love the tropical twist on a traditional pineapple upside down cake. So let's get baking. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 165 degrees Celsius. Grease a 22 centimeters baking pan and set this aside. In a small saucepan, add the 70 grams of butter and 130 grams of brown sugar. Cook this just long enough for the brown sugar to melt, while constantly stirring. This is the consistency we are looking for. Pour the caramel sauce in the bottom of your prepared cake pan and spread this evenly. So I've already sliced my ripe mangoes into 20 thick slices. We are just going to arrange them over the caramel sauce. The way you arrange them is totally up to you. I'm just going to keep it simple, like so. In a medium bowl, add in the 250 grams of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Give this all a quick mix and set it aside. In a large bowl, add in the remaining 80 grams of softened butter and mix this on high speed until light and fluffy. Now add the 200 grams of sugar and beat until everything is well combined. Add the 2 eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition, like so. Make sure to scrape the sides of your bowl. Now add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and give it another quick mix. Add the flour mixture alternating with 150 grams of sour cream. We are going to beat this on low speed just until everything is well incorporated. Scrape the sides of your bowl as needed. This is how the consistency should look like. Smooth and thick. We can now spread our mixture evenly over the mangoes by using an offset spatula, simply like this. Bake this for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. So my cake is done baking. I baked mine for 48 minutes. We are just going to wait for about 10 minutes before we release the cake from the baking pan. I'm running an offset spatula around the edge of the baking pan to make sure that the cake comes out easily. Now comes the magic moment. I'm going to invert the cake onto a serving plate. Yes, it worked! If a few fruit pieces fall off, just place them back in. This may happen sometimes. Look how stunning this cake is! The sticky caramel combined with the mangoes and the soft vanilla cake is a match made in heaven. This recipe works well with any kind of fruit. It can be enjoyed warm or at room temperature. You gotta try this with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Absolutely to die for. I hope you guys liked my video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more yummy recipes. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye!